So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use a filter or how to apply a filter in a video in Premiere Pro. What you have to do now is, this is your clip. You drag and drop your clip already to your timeline. So you just come here to this place, Lumetri Color. This place here, Lumetri Color. If you can't see your Lumetri Color, you should come here. This is it here. Highlight it. It's going to display here. So go here to your Lumetri Color. You come to creative. Yeah, under this creative, you come to look. You come here, then you search for whatever LUTs you have used or you want to use. Whatever LUT you want to use. Probably you want to use this. You use it. You can see it has changed. Yeah. You can use, let's try a black and white effect. So this is it, monochrome. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, you can use whatever effect you want to use. Just come here and let's try now on this. Yep, so this is it. So yeah, this is how to apply any filter. So in case you have any questions, you can drop it below and I'll try to answer in the comments. Thank you very much.